Welcome back, guys. We are here again in we are here again in no we are welcome to Skyblock Nether Games, right, it's cool, right? So please make sure to subscribe, please, right now, please subscribe right now, please. I'm gonna punch you right now if you don't subscribe. I'm gonna punch you right now. I'm gonna punch you, my guy. I'm gonna punch you. So please make sure to subscribe, please. So let's get right into the video. Oh, and I'm gonna do this right now. How to get unlimited money in Skyblock. I've been doing this for so long. Just look at my purse. 8,000. I'm almost at a million or 10,000. I don't know, but I'm almost at a million. How to get unlimited like that? So let's get right into the video. So here's the rules how to get that. First, you're gonna get an axe. My axe is big because I make some money. First, just slash SB so you can make a skyblock. What the where am I? I'm lagging right now. Okay, now I fix it. So this is the server I make. This is the server. Play dot nether games dot net. So that is the server IP. Make sure to save that. And now here's it. Slash SB so you can make a create island and scrubland or snowy, because snowy it's a little bit of wood. And now get some wood right here. So yeah, I've been getting wood for longs and longs and longs. If you do it again, make sure to delete the island and it will save your wood. It will not lose. And now it will save. Now create an island again. Just do it again and again and again. Just whatever you want. And now if you finish off that, make sure to sell this. Sell hand or all if you want. And just like that, if you have so many wood, if you have 64, you have 1,000 money. So make sure to get so many wood. Yeah, I've been getting this for so many wood, and I have 9,000. What the? I have so many. So make sure to do this in Minecraft Vanilla. Yeah, make sure to do this. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe and like for more, just like this one. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? And now delete your island. I said it 100 times. It will save your wood. Trust me, it will save your wood, okay? So make sure to make that. Subscribe and like. If we hit 10,000 likes, I'm gonna do another tutorial just like this one. Bye, guys!